Today we will learn about green color. Green color rhyme. Green is the grass, string beans and peas. Green is the branches on Christmas tree. Green color objects. Green frog, green pears, green hat, green grass, green crocodile, green gloves, green tree, green umbrella. Fill the green color in the frog. Green frog. G-R-E-E-N. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green balloons. Touch the green color items. Green pot, green brush, green bag, collect green color items. Green book, green pencil, green ice cream. Circle only green objects. Green thread, green spinach, green frog.